considered as categories. Okay, the groups are considered as categories, that is taxa, and from the taxonomic systems, that is classification. Plants are arranged different types of categories. That is, what is that category? Category name? Taxa, group of plants. Okay, and from the taxonomic systems. From the taxonomic systems. Next, identification. Okay, identification means to identify and derive the names of an organism by referring to an existing classification. Okay, identification means by the help of existing classification, identify new plants. Okay, that is identification. Identify the different types of uh, plants and organisms by the help of existing classification. Okay, that is identification process. Next, nomenclature. Next, nomenclature. Nomenclature means provide name, giving name. So and so is that name. So and so, the plant is this name. Okay, for example, Oryza sativa. Okay, that is paddy botanical name. Okay, genus species. Okay, Oryza genus species sativa. That is nomenclature. Provide a scientific name to an organism. Next, description. Description, to describe characteristics of taxon. Okay, to describe that characters, inside characters. For example, family, division, series, order, genus, species. Okay, that is hierarchical level. Okay, see here, taxonomic system. Okay, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Next, division is, that is division. Division is called phylum. Okay, after division, plant kingdom systematics, plant kingdom hierarchies. Okay, that is division. First is division. The division is phylum. Second one is class. Third, order and family. Order and family and genus. Okay, next genus. Last and final, species. Last and final, species. Species. Okay. First, kingdom. What is the kingdom? The highest level, the starting level in classification. That is plant kingdom. Example, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Next, division, the number of groups in this taxon. Number of groups in this taxon is not fixed, depend on the classification system. Okay, in division shows number of taxon. Number of taxon, that is not fixed. Okay, some division shows large number of taxons, some division shows very less number of taxons. Next, based on similar characteristics observed on few elements. Okay, in division, that is dominance of sporophyte, gametophyte in gymnosperms. Okay, next, class and order. What is the class? The number of groups in this taxon. Okay, in division, number of groups in this taxon is not fixed, but here number of groups in this taxon, okay, is also not fixed. Okay, depending on the classification system. Depending on the classification system. Separation is based on important basic difference that exists between the groups. Okay, class anedi, what is that? Class is the number of groups in classes. Okay, that is called class. Next step or next hierarchy level is order. Okay, order is based on more convincing genetic relationship which earlier had been detected. Okay, different types of genetical relations. Okay, genetical relations are genetical relationship are studied or observed in this order. The type of related genetical related type of groups are settled in this order. Okay, next family genus. Next family. Okay, based on more number of characteristics. Based on more number of based on more characteristics. Okay, based on more characteristics compared to order. Okay, in family more characteristics plants are set up in this family group. Okay, class and divisions. Class and divisions. Example, morphological characteristics of reproductive organs, inflorescence, ovaries, placentations, pistil, carpel, all types of morphological characters are similar in this group. The type of plants are arranged in family group. Next, genus. Genus. Okay, genus involves more similar characteristics. Okay, genus similar, more similar characteristics, including a closer family relationship. Okay, but they do not cross. If hybrid cross does not occur upspring normally, and fertile will not survive. Okay, in this genus hierarchy shows similar characteristics, closer relation type of plants are arranged. Okay, that is genus. And phylogenetically our new genus arises and separate from the same parental origin. Okay, here phylogenetically, okay, means ancestral history and evolutionary history also related or resembling to the one plant to another plant. That type of plants are in this categories. See here, kingdom. Okay, Whittaker classification, that is Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, Animalia. Okay, Monera means bacteria, prokaryotic cell. Next, Protista. Protista kingdom. In Protista belongs to algae, protozoa, eukaryotics, and fungi absorb food in liquid form. The type of organisms are in set up in fungi group. Next, plantae. Plantae, okay, means plant group. That is photosynthesis shows main process or main food preparing process in green plant. That type of all green plants comes in plantae group. Next, Animalia, ingest food animals. Okay, plant kingdom shows different types of categories, already studied. This is divisions. See here, plant division Spermatophyta means seeded plants. Pteridophyta means ferns. Bryophyta, mosses. Thallophyta. All are classified by the help of classification or systematic arrangement. Here, dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Okay, dicotyledons and monocotyledons divided and are systematic arrangements. One side dicotyledons, another side monocotyledons. In between, center place occupied gymnosperm. Okay, that is gymnosperm. That is the main remark of Bentham and Hooker. Alright. Next class we'll discuss it. Okay, dicotyledons families, here monocotyledons families. For example, Euphorbiaceae, Solanaceae, Leguminosae, Cruciferaceae, Rutaceae, Malvaceae, Cucurbitaceae. Okay, Palmae, Musaceae, Gingiberraceae, all are monocotyledons. See here, classification of banana, systematic arrangement. First place goes to kingdom, second division, third class, fourth order, next family, next genus and species, kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus, species. All are hierarchy levels. Okay, hierarchy levels. Okay, in division always ends with, okay, the ends with phyta. Okay, next, class Opsida. Okay, class Opsida. Next, order Alis. Order Alis. That is order. Next, family. Okay, family ACE. AE. Okay, family ends with ACE. AE. For example, Brassicaceae. Brassicaceae ends with ACE. AE. Next, subfamily Idae. Okay, subfamily Idae. Okay, so these hierarchies are taxons are shows. Subgroups also there. Sub super categories. That is kingdom. For example, kingdom, subgroup, subkingdom, division, subgroup, subdivision, class, subclass, genus, subgenus. Okay, species, subvariety. Okay, these are the information of what is that hierarchy level group. Okay, aspects also not important. Next, classification systems. Okay, number of classification systems are there. Okay, very important classification systems is three. Okay, among three is very important. That is artificial system, and second mechanical, third natural, and phylogenetic system. Okay, artificial, natural, and phylogenetic system is very important for the examination point. Okay, artificial system proposed Theopastus. Okay, based on different types of characters. Okay, Theophrastus classified by plants, that are Theophrastus classification based on growth habits. Okay, growth habits and uses. Growth habits and uses. Next, 300 BC to 15 yes, AD 1500. That is the timing or time zone of Theophrastus. Okay, Greece scientist. Second one is mechanical system based on few chosen characters. Only few characters is taken in classification system. Okay, that is he is all belongs to Italy. That is Bahins and Swiss Linnaeus. Okay, Linnaeus. Next, Linnaeus Swedish artificial also. Linnaeus system also, artificial classification also. Next, natural system. Natural system. Okay, based on many characters. Based on many characteristics. Classified by Bentham and Hooker. Bentham and Hooker classification also very, very important. The last one is phylogenetic system of classification. Okay, phylogenetic system of classification based on many characters. Okay, in natural, based on many characters and many flowering characters and morphological characters. Flowering and morphological characters. Next, phylogenetic system based on many characters, based on many characters with evolutionary interpretations. Okay, plants are which time produced or which times evolved from where, from this place to that place. Okay, that type of information obtained from ancestral classification. That is phylogenetic genetic type of interpretation. Okay, classified by Engler and Bassey, American scientist. Next, Hutchinson, Britain. Okay. Next, nomenclature. Nomenclature is the important order to provide the correct name or correct name for plant. The code are revised at every International Botanical Congress. Okay, Botanical Congress every year conduct one meeting. Worldwide scientists are participated. That is the code of botanical or I International Association of Plant Taxonomy, IAPT. Okay, the recent Congress was held in Sweden, China. Okay, the China. Formerly, the what is that ICBN, International Code of Nomenclature. Okay, name was changed International Botanical Congress in Melbourne. Okay, ICBN now changed. ICBN, what is the meaning of ICBN? That is the committee constitute international among all international level scientists are form a one committee. The committee is called formerly International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Presently changed. The changed new name is International Botanical Congress. Okay, at which meeting changed? Melbourne meeting. Melbourne meeting 2011. Melbourne 2011 July. Okay, that is the ICBN committee namings. Okay, first time committee form a meeting at which place? At which year? That 1867 laws of botanical nomenclature. The next 1905 Cambridge rules also there. Next Stockholm Code. Next 1969 Settle Code. Okay. See in your book, that is page number 100. 100 page number 100 shows development of botanical code. Okay. Last code is Sengen Code 2017. Sengen Code. The botanical scientist committee meeting held on 2017. Which place? Sengen Code. Sengen Code. That is Sengen Code. Okay. First meeting when conducted 1867. Okay, 1867. Last meeting 2017 Shenzhen Code. Okay, ICBN name was changed. Formerly ICBN, presently International Botanical Congress, Melbourne. Okay, some rules and regulations are proposed. Rules and regulations are proposed by ICBN. Okay, Paris Code, very, very important. The Paris Code was Paris Code is first code, Paris. Okay. Next, Paris Code replaced by the Vienna Code. Okay. Now Vienna Code. Okay, International Botanical Summit Code. Present, that is Vienna Code 1905, replaced by Vienna Code. First code name is Paris Code. Then replaced by Vienna Code. Okay. Published species plantarum of Linnaeus. That is starting point. Okay. Next, codes are revised every International Botanical Congress. These codes are reviewed every botanical summit at International Botanical Congress. Okay. International Association of Plant Taxonomy, published by International Association of Plant Taxonomy. Published. What is the publishing in that journal? International Code of Botanical Rules. Okay, all these are the systematic arrangements and classification. Next, salient features of Bentham and Hooker. Okay, next, a scientific name is based on binomial system, that is genus and species. Okay, one botanical name shows two names, that is genus and species, binomial nomenclature. First times followed are produced, are written, are classified by Carolus Linnaeus, binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature consists of genus and species. The third element is name of person who formally gave name, or is a sativa binomial nomenclature. Some plants shows trinomial also. Okay, trinomial. For example, Brassica oleracea vercaptata. Okay. Okay, some plants shows different types of hybrid names. Agrostix, polypogon. Next, taxonomic characteristics, morphology, or modern trends in taxonomy. Okay, modern trends in taxonomy, that is morphology, anatomy, palynology, and cytology, chemical, molecular, okay, all are taxonomical advances. Okay, for example, morphology. Okay, plant growth habits, leaf arrangement and shape, flowers and fruits are characteristics. Okay, morphology means shows appear characteristics, that is leaf, fruit, stem, flower. Okay, based on all these are morphological characters used in the taxonomy. Okay, help in the taxonomy or classification. Next, anatomy. How to use the anatomy in taxonomy? The secondary xylem characteristics, epidermis, including trichomes, stomata, all are studied. Okay, they know different types of small and major changes. Then these are very helpful in the classification system anatomy. Next, palynology. Okay, palynology also one of the key role play in plant taxonomy. The branch is militopalynology, also one of the important tool for classification. For example, melitopalynology. Melitopalynology means Pollen grains are mixed with honey. Okay, honey contain different plant pollen grains. We are studied pollen grain analysis in the honey. Okay, all pollen grains are shows different types of pores and carpets. Okay, scars. Okay, these also one of the systemic classification by the using of palynology. Okay, that is pollen characteristics include size, shape, aperture, exin, culpate. Okay, all these are used in palynology. Next, cytology. How to use in cytology in taxonomy. Okay, the chromosomes number, structure, habit. Chromosome number, structure, and habit. Okay, chromosomes are different shape and size. Some plant shows meta chromosomes. Some plant shows submeta type of chromosomes. That's why this type of chromosome arrangement of centromere structure and arrangement places also used in classification system, that is chromosomal cytology. Okay, metacentric, submetacentric, telocentric, acrocentric type of chromosomes also used. Okay, also used in taxonomy. New trend. Okay, all these are taxonomic new trends are helping keys of taxonomy. Next helping key is chemical and molecular structures, that is alkaloids, phenolic products, contents, amino acid contents, proteins, enzymes, and DNA type of proteins, enzymes, and DNA, plant DNA, and different plant shows different materials inside, that is proteins, enzymes, phenolic and amino acids, all are produced in one plant to another plant shows changes. Okay, all these are identified characters by the classification. Okay, used in classification. Okay, next, Bentham and Hooker classification. Okay, Bentham and Hooker, Engler and Prandtl. Okay, see in your book, students. Okay, that is Bentham and Hooker classification. Class dicotyledons and monocotyledons. In between, centrally arranged gymnosperms. Centrally arranged gymnosperms. That is Bentham and Hooker classification. Series Thalamiflorae and order Rhanelis families, Ranunculaceae, Deileneaceae, and Calicanthaceae, Magnoliaceae, Annonaceae, Menispermaceae, all are Rhanelis Thalamiflorae family. Second order Parietalis. Okay, carpels are united to form unilacular ovary with parietal placentation. Okay, parietal placentation. The Parietalis shows 17 families. Okay, Cruciferaceae, Volacea, Caporidaceae, Vixinaceae, all are different types of families. Okay, next, what is that? Merits and demerits. Okay, merits and demerits. Okay, one of the main demerit of Benthamite Hooker classification, in between arrangement of gymnosperms in between monocots and dicots. That is the main drawback of gym, Bentham and Hooker classification. Bentham and Hooker classification. Okay. Next, APG means angiosperm phylogenetic classification. The main features, several new orders are recognized in Boraginalis, Dillenialis, and Vahilianis. Next, what is the next recent trends in plant taxonomy? Over Meltophilanology, pollen taxonomy, chemotaxonomy. Okay, that is also over. Next, systematic taxonomy. Okay, systematic taxonomy means now we are studied families. Okay, family characters and economical importance of three. What is that? Three groups. That is polypetalae, gamopetalae, and monoclamidae. Okay, first one is polypetalae. Okay, wait, I will show you a PowerPoint presentation. Polypetalae, very important group. Okay, you in plant taxonomy. Okay, we are studied families. Okay, families and family characters. Okay, that is Polypetalae, Malvaceae. Okay, important family. Number of families is there. Unit 10. Okay, that is economic importance of Annonaceae, Brassicaceae, Malvaceae, Fabaceae. Okay, in among these, Malvaceae and Fabaceae very important. Okay, we are discussed now Malvaceae family. Okay, Malvaceae family. Malvaceae classification, the class dicotyledons, orders, sorry, suborders, Polypetalae. Next series, Salamiflorae, order Ranalis, family Annonaceae. Sorry, Malvaceae. Okay, we have studied Malvaceae family and family characters. Malvaceae family and family characters. Okay, next groups. What is that? Distribution. This family distribution, Malvaceae family distribution is what is that? Malvaceae family shows 250 genera. Okay, 250 genera. And what is that? 4,230 species. 4,230 species present in Malvaceae family. Okay, Malvaceae family important plants, genera and species. Okay, some of the Hibiscus roja sinensis. Okay, Hibiscus roja sinensis, that is common called shoe flower. Next, Hibiscus schizopetalus. Okay, for page number 156, students see and observe. Page number 156. Important plants, Hibiscus micranthus. Next, Gossypium herbaceum, cotton. Next, Abutilon indicum. And Sida cardifolia, Sida acuta, Abulmuscus esculentum, lady's finger. Abulmuscus esculentum. White silk cotton, Seba pentandra, Bombax Seba, red silk cotton, Thespecia. Next, Malva, Parviflora, Urena, Lobota. All these are important plants. Okay, all these are important plants. Next, distribution. Okay, it consists thermofloroditic and rarely monoecious polygonum trees, shrubs. Okay, Malvaceae plants are shrubs. For example, shrubs example, hibiscus rosa sinensis shrub, and herb, but is Abutilon indica, Gossypium species, shrubs. Next, trees, Thespecia. Okay, all these are important plants. Next, leaves. Okay, leaves are alternate leaves and simple entire serrate, usually palmately and veined, lobed, stipules present. Okay, stomata, mostly anisocytic type of stomata. Next, floral characters. See here, solitary, paired flower, and cymose complex stamens. This is the flower. See here, flower shows sepals, petals, calyx, corollas. Okay, bisexual flower, rarely unisexual. Most actinomorphic. Next, apicalyx typically present, and hypogynous situated below the ovary. Okay, calyx, corolla also. Calyx green in color, corolla very pink type of corolla. Corolla shows pink color, corolla. Calyx green color, calyx. Okay. Apopetalous means separate petals. That is apopetalous type. Sometimes adonate to the absence of androecium, that is tube-like structures. Okay, stamens, monodelphous, didelphous type of stamens, filaments are usually connected. Okay, anthers. Anthers, longitudinal means through pore dehiscence. Pollens are smooth pollens. Gynoecium, superior syncarpus. Carpels connect to single unit, that is syncarpus. Okay, placenta. Placentation, axial type of placentation. Okay, fruit, lactitude, laculicidal type of fruit means chambers. Chambers type of fruit is there. Next, dehiscent capsule. Okay, capsule is descented through margins. All these are important family importance. Next, economic importance of the Malvaceae family. Fiber yielding plants is there. That is Gossypium, Seba, Pentandra. Next, food flowering plants. That is Cola, Indica, Durio, Jimbathine. Next, economic importance, wood yielding plants also there. Is there ornamental plants also there? That is wood yielding plants, money tree, Pachira, aquatica, ornamental plants, Stelia, hibiscus yellow. All these are important plants. Economical importance of Malvaceae, these plants. Okay, next unit, that is polypetale. Next, gamopetale. Okay, polypetale over. Next, 11th unit, gamopetale. Gamopetale also. Okay. Next, gamopetale. Next, Kamo petale. Also very important.
Sir, ee roju last class kada?
Avunandi.
Sir, adi questions cheppandi sir.
Okay, చెప్తాం ఇది ఒకటి చూడండి. గామా పెటాలలు మనకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫ్యామిలీ, that is Asteraceae family. Okay, this is the systematic classification, class, subgroup, series, order, that is Inferae series. Okay, Inferae series. Generally 950 genera and 2000 species also there, distributed all over the country. Okay, some of the shrubs, some of the herbs also there. Okay, like stem herbaceous type or some of the erect type of stem. For example, leaves are alternate simple leaves. For example, sunflower. Okay, here main character is there, that is two types of flowers located, single flower, that is hibiscus, sorry, helianthus annuus. Okay, centrally arranged disky flowers. Okay, in peripheral region shows ray flowers. See, centrally disky flowers. In peripheral areas shows ray flowers, disky and ray flowers. See, disky central portion and ray flowers are arranged peripheral region of the flower. Okay, this is the main character of Asteraceae family. Next, fruit, Cypsela. Okay, Cypsela fruit attached with some hairy like structures, that is called pappus. Okay, that is called pappus. Next, seeds, dicotyledons and exorbinous type of seeds. Okay, calyx, corolla, androecium. Okay, common plants are these: Helianthus annuus, Suryakanthi, Kantham, Eclipta prostata, important plant. Next, Tridax procumbens, Verticaya thalai, Tacitus erecta, Banti. Next, Calendula officinalis, Tuluca samanti. Okay, Tridax procumbens, Gaddi, Chamanti. Okay, all these are important plants of this Asteraceae family. Next, what is that? Next family is monocot family, that is Poaceae. Poaceae family is one of the single family is there. What is Poaceae or Graminae? Okay, formerly called Graminae family. Graminae family, the last family. Okay, students. Last family, Graminae. Okay, students. You know Graminae? Graminae. Hello, students. Interested, Andy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Graminae is the last and monocotyledon family. That is Graminae. Okay. Graminae importance and family characters, important plants is Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa and oats, Avena sativa, wheat, Triticum aestivum, sorghum, sugarcane, Saccharum officinalis. All these are very important family plants. Next, economical importance we know already. Okay, spikelate is the very important of inflorescence. Okay, Graminae family, spikelate is very important. The inflorescence name is called spike and spikelets. Okay, next, spike and spikelets. For example, Gia maize and Oryza sativa. Okay, both are good example of this family. What is that? Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa, economical importance, mainly used in food. Okay, food to man and animals. That is Oryza sativa, paddy or rice. Next, triticum, aestivum, godumalu, oats, sorghum, all are used as a food. Man and animals. Man and animals used as a food. Okay. Hello, students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then families over. Next, I will give you important questions now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. First, meristematic tissue and tissue systems. Okay. Meristematic tissue and tissue system. Different types of classification of tissues and tissue system. That is simple tissues and complex tissues. Complex means already discussed. Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Question number, sir.
Question number. 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute. This is unit 1. Unit 1 questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, series. Okay, you want to go page numbers? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Page
Cheppan,
number
sir.
1, sir.
Okay, page number. Next, latiferous tissues. Hello?
అర్థమవుతలేదు సార్ నేను చెప్తున్నాను.
Okay, page number 31.
ఎస్ సార్ 31 లోనో ఏ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay, page number 31. Question number 1.
ఓకే.
Question number 2.
ఓకే.
Next, what is it? Next, idioblast. Hello?
ఎస్ సార్.
Next, question number 1. Model question number 1 is there now, 1.9.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay, write detailed account on classification meristems.
ఓకే.
Okay. Okay.
ఓకే
Next,
సార్.
gives detailed account of colon-chyma.
ఓకే.
Next, theories. Histogen theory was proposed by Hutchinson. 1.8. Question number 2.
ఎస్ సార్. ఓకే.
Next. Next, question number 12. Okay.
ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
Next, page number 45. Describe the leaf anatomy. Number 1. Hello, students.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
Next, how to difference between epidermis. Question number 5. And question number 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next page number 60, 64. Hello?
Yes, sir. Chappan, sir.
64. Question number 2.
Question number 2.
2 and 3.
Sir, which
yes,
two are there is Roman number 1 and section 2 was.
Roman number 1.
Okay, sir, got it.
Next Roman number 2. Roman number 2. 12. 12.
Okay,
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next 6. 12 and 6. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next page number 88. 88.
88.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Chappan, sir.
4.
4.
4 1.
4 1.
Next 1 2.
1 2.
1 2 and
4
1. 4 1. 5 in 5.9, 1 and 2, and in 5.10, 5.10, Roman number 1 1 and Roman number 2 4. 4 and 1. Okay?
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next unit 6. Unit 6. Tectona grandis, question number 1. And name, question number 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next importance is next taxonomy. Taxonomy 107 page INC. Roman number 1. Roman number 1 section. Question number 1. Question number 1 and 5.
5.
6. 6.
Yes, sir.
And Roman number 2 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next page number. Next page number 141. Speed.
141.
141 or 9.9. Question number 9.9. Okay. What is that? Question number 3.
Question number 3.
4.
4.
Next 9.
Yes.
9 over in row number 2. Row number 2 7. 7 and 3.
7 and 3.
Next is black 4. Black 4. Black 4. Page number 161. Sorry, 163. I think
163.
Question number 1. Question number 1 and 4.
4.
1 and 4. Next row number 2. Row number 2. Question number 5. Question number 5
Yes, sir.
and 8. Next. 180. 180. 180. 179. 179. Question number 1. 118. 1 and 2. 2 and 5. Okay. And Roman number
Yes,
2.
sir.
Roman number 2, Solanesi.
Roman number 2.
Roman number 2, 9.
9.
9 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Next and last. 12 unit. Unit
12th unit, sir.
Unit 12 last.
Yes, sir.
Last unit 197. First spike or spanicle. Okay. First spike or panicle. Next fourth Euperpia species Cyathium. And 10 Poaceae. 10, 11.
10, 11.
10. Next to 12.8. Row number 1.
Sir, once again, please, sir.
What?
12.4.
Once again.
12.7. 1 and 4. Next 6. 6 and 10. Next 12.8. 12.8.
Yes, sir.
12.8. 2 and 5. Next Roman number 2. Roman number 2. 2. Question number second. And 7. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all questions covered. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, you
Okay,
chadivi.
all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చదివితే సరిపోతుందా?
క్వశ్చన్ చదవండి, అవన్నీ చదవండి. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
సార్ ఒకసారి మీ నెంబర్ చెప్పొచ్చు కదా సార్?
9989807071.
9989
807071.
80.
Okay, right. Okay.
9989907071.
9989807071.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
నెంబర్ విన్నావా హిమ?
విన్నాను. వెళ్ళిపోయింది అమ్మాయి.